So in today's lecture, I'm going to teach you all about the class 8, chapter 11, mathematics. Okay, chapter 11, mensuration it is. Okay, so this is mathematics for class 8. Okay, so I will be giving you all formulas, the important one. This is the introduction. Today's lecture will be based on the introduction and all the formulas. Okay, so now in mensuration, what is important first of all? Okay, now these three things are very important in mensuration. Okay, like you all have to know what is the parameter. Okay, you all have to know what is a parameter, you all have to know what is an area, and you all have to know what is a volume. Okay, so I have given you all the definition. Okay, first of all, so what is a parameter? Length of boundary of a closed figure is called parameter. Next is the area. The region enclosed by a closed figure is called its area. And next is the volume. The amount of space occupied by a solid is called its volume. Okay, so this you all can take down this. What is a parameter is given, what is an area is given, and what is a volume is given. Okay, this is very important for you all to know. Next, let us see. Okay, here comes the diagrams. Okay, uh, let me zoom it a bit so that you all can see it properly. Okay, so yeah, here is a diagram. Okay, it shows length into breadth. That is the shape. Now, which diagram it is? This is a rectangle. The shape is rectangle shape. Now, what is the area? It is length into breadth. Length multiplied by breadth. And let us see what is the parameter of this rectangle. The parameter of this rectangle is twice bracket length into breadth. Okay, now again there is one more diagram over here. You all can see. Okay, it is square. Now what is square? It shows that a and a is given, right, for the square. So it is a into a is equal to a square. Okay, and what is the parameter of this square? 4a. Formula is 4a, and area of the square is what? This is again a formula, a into a square. Okay, square. Now let us see the triangle. Okay, we will see to the triangle. Now a is given, c is given, height is given, and b is given. Okay, so let us see the area of this triangle. Area of the triangle is half breadth into height, b into height. Okay, and what is the parameter of this triangle? A plus B plus C. Okay. Now next, let us see the figure, and the shape of the figure is parallelogram. Okay. Here base and height is given to you all. So base into height, b into h it is. Okay. So the parameter of this parallelogram is a plus b plus a plus b. Okay. So twice a plus b it is. Next, let us see the circle. This is a circle, right? The shape is circle, and it is radius into b square. Okay, this is given. And parameter of this is what? This is this part is r, b square is area of the circle, and parameter of the circle is 2 pi r. Okay, parameter of this circle is 2 pi r. Okay, so I have given you all something like this. So diagram shape and area is given over here, like rectangle a into a. For okay, and for square it is b into h, the area. Okay, next you all can take down this. Next is the triangle of this is, what is the area? Pi b square over here. Okay, you all can see parallelogram it is half b into h, and the circle is this a into b. Okay, now let us see the area of a trapezium. Okay, what it is? Half of the sum of the length of parallel side into multiplied by perpendicular distance between them. Okay, a rhombus. Now area of a rhombus is what? Is equal to half the product of its diagonals. Okay. Next is what? Surface area of a solid is the sum of the area of its faces. Next, let us see. This is the third formula, that is the surface of cuboid. So surface of cuboid is what? Twice length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. What about the surface area of a cube? 6L square. Okay. Next is surface area of a cylinder, 2 pi r in the bracket r into h. Okay, h is nothing but height, right? So next let us see. Fourth one is amount of region occupied by a solid is called its volume. Now volume of a cuboid. Let us see the volume of a cuboid. You all have take down this fourth one, and then I will be explaining all about the fifth one. That is the volume of a cuboid, length into breadth into height. Now volume of a cube is length cube. Okay, L cube. So volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. H is height, r is radius, and pi is the value. Okay. Now sixth is what? 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 ml, and 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. 1 meter cube is equal to what? You can see this. So wait. So centimeter cube, okay, this is equal to centimeter cube is equal to 1000 liter. Okay, so you'll have to remember this. Next is the area of a general quadrilateral. So a general quadrilateral can be split into two triangles by drawing one of its diagonal. This triangulation helps us to find formula for any general quadrilateral. Okay. Now you all can see this figure, right? 11.10 over here. So what is the area of the quadrilateral A, B, C and D? See, area of a quadrilateral A, B, C, D, okay? So is equal to area of triangle A, B, C plus area of triangle A, D, C, okay? A, D, C. Now let us see area of triangle A, B, C, that is half into A, C multiplied by height plus area of ADC is what? Half into AC multiplied by H2, that is height, second height, okay, of this. So now this is height 1, height 2. So now half into AC, this is common, right? This part is common, like this and this. It is same. So what I have done, I have taken the common outside, half AC multiplied by H1 plus H2, okay. So multiplied by h1 plus h2. So half into what it is. So I have considered this as D, okay. AC I have taken it as D. Okay, so NH1 plus H2. Okay, this into this. So where D denotes the length of the diagonal AC. Okay, so in place of AC I have substituted D in this, and D is what? It denotes the length of the diagonal AC, right? This. I hope you all can see this clearly or can even take down this. Next I will be giving you all one example, and with that I will end up. In the next lecture I will be giving you all more formulas, and I will start with solving the exercise problems as well. So example 1 says find the area of quadrilateral PQRS shown in this figure, okay. So in case of D is given as what? 5.5 centimeter, height is given 2.5 centimeter, second height is given as 1.5 centimeter. So area of this is what? Half into D into H1 plus H2. Now half into what is D? 5.5 is given over here. See, you all can see this 5.5. This is a diagonal, right? And it denotes the D. So D denotes the diagonal, that is QS. So it is 5.5 centimeter, which you all can see. Okay. And then height 1 is what? 2.5, and height 2 is 1.5. Substitute these values in this, like half multiplied by D is 5.5, multiplied by height 1 is what? 2.5 plus 1.5, okay. And then centimeter square. For both it is centimeter, right? So it is square. So now half multiplied by 5.5 multiplied by, add this and see what you are getting. Okay, so I'll get 4 centimeter square. Multiply this, you will get 11 centimeter. So here what I have done is just multiply this. See, 2 ones are 2 twos are, it will get cancel over here, right? You all can directly cancel. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So multiply this 5.5, okay, with 2. So 2.0. See what you all are going to get. 0, 0 plus 2 fives are 10, 2 fives are 10, so it will be 11. So we'll get 11, right? And then 0 will be as it is, so it will be decimal point. So see, you all are getting 11 right over here. So this is how you all get. So 11 centimeter square. I hope you all have understood today's concept, and thanks for watching.